Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today I will discuss about ordinate dimension. How to provide the ordinate dimension. First of all create our AutoCAD diagram is origin point. Then continue calculate the origin to end point, again origin to end point. So this make this all dimension is properly provided in origin point to end point. So first of all when I click I will make this diagram and provide the ordinate dimension. So first of all click here the line also, this is here infinite line also. When I click the infinite line and make this infinite line here, right, when I provide the orthogonal, and also I will click this here. Okay, right now then I will select this component and offset O enter, then provide the 2000 dimension is outside. Then again I will show you in outside and enter. Then I will select this RE, it's mean region right now. When I click the region also, this is it is click. So now show this diagram here, and first of all select this all diagram and go to trim. So TR enter is use trim entity, then click here remove, then click here, then also click, then also click. So it is rectangle here but not the origin right now. When I make the offset command, so when I get select this component and go to offset means O enter, then how much distance we will provide in 500, then continuation offset. Right now click this offset, click this offset, then same thing is down upward direction. When this click here and also click here. When right now I got the trim entities here, select this internal command. Right now this is internal command and go to TR enter, then here the provide TR, and this is right now. When I go to this is not the origin point because right I will give the ordinate dimension. The ordinate dimension is always catch from 0 point, because I will show you the dimension here and also I will show you the dimension here. So this is called when I set the dimension style. So when go to D enter, that means dimension. When here D enter, the provide is value, go to modify and check the line color, also we will get the provide and also we will get the provide and color. Symbol is there, symbol is use, and 100 mm also there, and also text is provide 150 mm. Then this is the above in diagram, the color has been used green and alignment. When I also go to primary unit, so primary unit is first of all mm, it's called decimal, and go to 0 precision. Then this is has been everything is setting. Then after we will take for OK, then current set, it is called current set, then close. So look at this dimension. Why are you given this here the start in 9 mm? Because this point to this point between gave is 9 mm. If the diagram is how to shift in origin point, because whatever I am given the dimension, like go to ordinate dimension, when only for click this line, it is the called for like here. So when I get the provide in chalk dimension, in only click the line and also click the line here, it's continue to make the diagram. When I use for when how to shift the origin point in whole diagram. So this is here not the origin point, but when I want to go to origin point, so select the whole diagram and just select whole diagram, then click the M that means move, enter, apply the move enter. When pick out the origin point in our diagram, this is origin point here, just click the origin point, then after go to 0, 0, you can put enter. So this is called 0, 0 and come to origin point, like just switching for all diagram. So this is when I go to switch before like when first of all our whole diagram we are going to switch. So when you go to move enter, okay, when I control Z, when I go to select and move enter and move to some distance, but I want to go to origin point. So first of all select this all component and go to M enter and this point, go to move here and click the 0, 0 enter. So do you think that this is all component has become the origin area? Okay, so this is the origin area. We now show you the ordinate dimension. So first of all go to ordinate dimension here. This is ordinate dimension. When I go to click this start the dimension here, this is first dimension and this is second. Enter right now. Again select this ordinate dimension and this is second dimension, and also click this is third dimension and also click this is fourth dimension and also click this is fifth dimension. Same thing here, this side I will get the provide dimension and also I will provide this side dimension and also provide this side. Here again I will click this. Okay, look at this. Now again select this ordinate dimension and go to again provide. So there both side I will get the provide ordinate dimension. I will dimension style I have go to change, so de-enter when provide the dimension style. The dimension style is modify, and go to modify, then provide dimension color, and also above the center their height is I will provide 150, and then alignment, and also provide the arrow size is there 100 is sufficient. Then above value, this above value is 30, so when I click the 30 here, and also go to feet and primary unit, then decimal value is 0. The line color we will provide particular color I have go to provide the value, and OK, then current set and close. Show you the dimension here. It's useful for every dimension, and this is called ordinate dimension. Now again I want to go to again provide the dimension is here. So how is it possible? So when you go to ordinate and only for the click this value, this is one dimension. Only for enter again and click this value, enter again, click this value, enter okay, enter again here, and also click this value. Then same thing again I will show you the dimension here is 0, then also give this here, then also give this here. So like very useful for ordinate dimension like that. Count for origin to end point, origin to end point. So today has completed the session, and thank you.